This phase takes place entirely in the field. It includes the manual extraction of the tubers, initial quality sorting, and logistical organization to transport the potatoes to the factory under optimal freshness conditions.
Careful with that stack, it's getting high.
I know, I'm almost finished with this crate. Set it down easy right there. All right, grab the chain. I need more slack.
That water hits different when it's this hot out. Are you ready for lunch?
Almost. Just need another minute before we get back to it.
The potatoes enter the industrial environment. They are unloaded, temporarily stored, and then subjected to an intensive cleaning cycle, washing, brushing, drying, to remove all traces of soil before processing.
Here in the reception hall, the potatoes begin their journey along the elevated green feed line. The stainless steel mesh conveyor smoothly transports the elongated potatoes down the ramp towards the washing area.
This is the major technical step. The tubers are peeled, cut into wavy slices, steam blanched, then fried. After seasoning, the chips are weighed precisely and bagged automatically before being boxed and palletized.
The
In
texture
parallel
is
with
perfect.
production, rigorous tests are carried out in the laboratory. Texture,
Yes, very consistent.
salt content, oil content, and microbiological safety are measured to ensure every batch meets the brand standards.
The saltiness is prominent, but the crunch is exceptional.
I agree. The texture is perfect.
The crispness on sample A is excellent.
Agreed. The golden color matches the reference well. We can approve the batch.
The final stage concerns the journey of the finished product. It encompasses storage in high-density warehouses, preparation of customer orders, transport to supermarkets, and finally, the attractive placement of the bag on the shelves for the consumer.
Pick complete 12-count chip carton.
The rotating turntable ensures even application of the stretch film. Next, the distinctive red